Hi everyone, welcome to New Finance and welcome to another video on ETC Ethereum Classic. So recently the price of ETC has been on a limbo. It has been consolidating between $50 and $70 for the past at least a week. And in this video I want to talk about that some price technicals to explain the price actions that we've been seeing for the past week, go through some articles to predict the bearish scenario and the bullish scenario for ETC, and then talk about how I am trading ETC. And I just want you guys to be thinking bigger than just ETC, and how big investors are influencing the current market, and for you to be aware of it and for you to take advantage, right? So before we begin, guys, I'll really appreciate for you guys, just for the algorithm, to smash that like button and also subscribe to the channel for more videos on ETC and other cryptocurrency videos. So first of all, I want to touch on the recent price action on ETC. So currently trading at $56. On the daily, it's down 4%, $2, and 24-hour low of 56 and 24-hour high of 59. So as we said, it has been trading between these in this range for quite a while now, for at least over a week, and trading volume is at 1 billion at the moment. And with market dominance at 0.39, well below the market dominance that we were seeing during the May highs at around 0.56, and market rank has gone all the way down to 22nd from around 16th during the May high. So comparing that to the overall market, recently we saw a spike in the price of Bitcoin going over 40k again, and unfortunately ETC did not react as bullishly as we predicted that it might do, with some analysts suggesting that it is not following Bitcoin as closely as we thought it was. Kind of. Uh, Advising us to look for other news that might trigger the price of ETC to move in either direction, and not just focus on Bitcoin itself, for ETC to follow. And Ethereum itself being another important catalyst for ETC, we haven't seen much movement from Ethereum either, with being down 4% on the weekly and 4% on the daily as well. Um, and then moving on to some articles that I want to talk about. With first, this article is talking about Ethereum Classic is risky, but it might be better than Ethereum. It talks about how ETC USD is nearly up 950% so far year to date, whereas Ethereum is up 250% in the same period. So, uh, meaning a riskier investment, but the rewards are much higher. So the likelihood of ETC doubling is much more than Ethereum doubling. So it's it's more money in there, but the risk is a lot higher. Um, then I want to touch on this article that talks about a catalyst coming up for ETC on the 21st of July, where it will upgrade its one of its security and called Magneto, which updates security and also gas and transaction prices, making it more secure and more available for investors and users. So that is one catalyst to look out for. Um, and then going on to what they saying about ETC in FX Street, they are putting out a more bearish scenario here, talking about this descending triangle that we are here in this chart, and how it could go as low as $40. And if we can't hold $40, it could retest $24 here. And if we can't hold this, it could go a lot lower. So this article just talks about a little bit more about what Magneto is. Ethereum Classic undergoing a network upgrade code named Magneto, and specified in this code, Magneto is inclusive of Ethereum Berlin upgrade, which contains a series of EIPs optimizing gas transactions, which may have implied security enhancements important for the network. So guys, overall, what these all articles are pointing towards the fact that we don't sort of have any catalysts to look forward to in terms of Bitcoin or Ethereum to hold pump the price of Ethereum Classic, but we should be looking towards our own, something, a catalyst specific to Ethereum Classic that will push the price, because regardless of where Bitcoin is moving currently, it's not moving the price of ETC. And also, I want to point out this chart here from Bitfinex, which shows the shorts that are currently in play for Ethereum Classic. And as we can see currently, the shorts are as high as it was in on May 7th when we hit the all-time high. So a lot of people in the market think that we are going to see lower prices, and in this channel I'm a realist. I don't want to like sell any dreams of it going higher. So any movement above this 50 SMA, which is the moving average here, which is around $70 or above, will be the first trigger for me to watch before I expect ETC to move up. And the support levels I would watch will be $46, around $43, and if that's beaten around $40, and then all the way to the lows of $24 here. So, guys, as we saw repeatedly for the past month or so, a huge rise, consolidation, dip, and then rise again, consolidation, dip, rise again, consolidation, dip, rise again, consolidation, dip, over and over again. And you got to realize why this is happening. You just got to think about it. If big players are involved, this is playing into their hands, where they are controlling where the price of ETC should be going in a way that benefits them the most. So I want you to be aware on if this is happening over and over again, to not be fooled over and over again. As George Bush once put it, in a way I would fail to put it, is to fool me once, shame on you; fool me twice, shame on you, as he said it, but shame on myself if I allowed them to fool me again, guys, because honestly, this is the whole pattern. I have high hopes for ETC, but if I see this happening over and over again, and for me to not capitalize on this opportunity would be, I don't know, foolish. But however, if you're in it for the long run, of course, you wouldn't have to worry about it. But if you're in it here to profit, or and as well as accumulate some ETC for the long run, then this is where the market is moving: upward, sideways, downwards, upward, sideways, downwards. Unless we get a huge catalyst that changes the whole spectrum for the whole crypto market, or the whole uh, system for ETC, I don't see anything else changing. And let's be real, we came from around back here before the huge rise. We came from, where is it, we came up from around $12-13 all the way to $176. So we got to be real, the fact that seeing $20, or between 20 to $30 is easily possible. And you wouldn't be mad, because it's not so long ago, just in April, we were at those levels. So it is expected. And even if we test these levels, it doesn't mean ETC won't go any higher in the long run, by all means. So currently, for the bullish scenario, I would be looking at the 50 SMA around $70 before I can hope for it to go up again. and then $40 for the support. And if it can't hold there, then I'm expecting around $20, between $20 and $30, guys. So once again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Leave me your opinions down below in the comment section, what you think of what's going on in the market and where this is going. And also, don't forget to subscribe and leave a like if you enjoyed or benefited from this video. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.